Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both phones. Your iPhone must have the WhatsApp account active and iCloud backups turned off. Your Android should be signed into the Google account you want to use. Once done, connect the two devices with a USB-C to Lightning cable or follow the Android transfer prompts. You must keep both devices unlocked and on, and allow any prompts for data transfer and permissions. This ensures the WhatsApp local export can move off the iPhone and be received by Android. You now perform the actual migration. During the Android setup flow, choose to transfer data from iPhone, then follow the on-screen steps to open WhatsApp on the iPhone and scan the QR shown on Android if prompted. Make sure you grant camera, storage, and microphone permissions when requested. Once initiated, WhatsApp will export chats and media and import them to the Android WhatsApp instance. Be patient, because large media libraries can take many minutes to finish. You finish by registering WhatsApp on Android with the same phone number. After registration, the app will detect the transferred chat history and complete the import. Once your chats are present, go to WhatsApp Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and choose Backup to Google Drive, selecting the Google account you prepared. If something goes wrong, try the cable transfer again or use the official Move to Android transfer utility. Make sure both devices have enough battery and storage, and retry after rebooting both phones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.